Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unable to activate Face ID not available on this iPhone. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If you are unable to activate Face ID on your iPhone, try the following steps to fix this issue. Number one is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issues. Simply tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check for software updates. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is disable Face ID and re-enable again. Tap on settings, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode. Simply disable Face ID if enable or fix your problem. So if solution number 3 is not working, applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is if Face ID is already set up, simply reset Face ID and set up again and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is clean the TrueDepth camera, ensure the camera lens is free from dirt and dubs. Simply clean the camera lens with soft cloth or tissue paper and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for hardware issue. Ensure your iPhone's TrueDepth camera is not damaged or faulty. If your iPhone is dropped down and Face ID is unavailable and unable to activate Face ID, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer. They can help with diagnose hardware or software issue with Face ID. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is your iPhone is compatible with Face ID, iPhone X or later. You are in a well light environment. Your face is not obscured by glasses, hats or other projects. You are looking directly at the camera app. If all solutions are not working, contact support.apple.com. It will be. If you are still experiencing, consider visiting an Apple store authorized service provider for further assistance. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix unable to activate Face ID on this iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.